Series 25 Spin Master Monster Jam Rage. Here are the other trucks. In this series, we get Bakugan Dragonoid, Dragon, Earthshaker, El Toro Loco, Blue Thunder, Megalodon, Grey Clips, Mohawk Warrior, and Joker. And Rage is an arena favorite. So let's go ahead and unbox Rage. After taking Rage out of the package, I noticed that there is no poster, so I'm not sure why. Maybe they stopped them after certain series. I'm not sure which series that is, but let's go ahead and go on with the review here. With Rage, we get a nice plastic dirt ramp, and we'll bring Rage here up into the camera a little bit closer. That's a really different kind of a blue, and there's the Monster Jam logo starting back here on the left-hand side of the panel. Back here you say Cohen, a sponsor, then some green flames right there, and then there is the name of the truck, Rage, and some more flames right down here at the bottom, coming down around. It has a silver roll cage and a black chassis with gray rims and just plain black tires, no BKT printing on it. So let's go ahead to the front. I don't know if it's printed or decaled on there for the lights. I could feel the texture of the grill in the front. Then up top here on the hood of the truck says Avenger Racing, which is a part of the Team Scream camp. And then I can't make out the wording on the left and right hand side of the helmet, and those are pistons making an X onto the other side of the truck. There it is. And then back on the tailgate, another sponsor, Power Master, with some flames, green flames. And I don't know if that's like orange around the green flames or the color of this. It's hard to make out. Up top here, we have the Lucas Oil Products sponsorship on top of the truck on the roof. So that's it. It's nice to have different independent trucks we haven't had in a diecast form. So I'm glad that they were able to do Rage, and I know that there are more to come, independent trucks, so I'll be on the lookout. I haven't found Bag Company yet, so there are more trucks out there. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review here on Monster Truck Classics. Thank you for tuning in, fans.